What is good, BP athletes? It's your boy Spence Crosby. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to throw an effective side kick. Stay tuned. When people are first learning their side kick, a lot of people lack that flexibility and mobility in their hip. When they're first doing the kick, they tend to be compromised like this. Just because they lack that flexibility and mobility in their hips. Also, another thing they do is they point their toe. You don't want to point your toe because that's how you break or damage your toes. A major reason why people point their toes is because they lack the flexibility and mobility not only in their hips and their hamstrings, but also their ankle muscles and tendons. So when you're throwing that side kick, chamber it, push through like an arrow, and hit with the blade of your foot, just like that. And that's how you throw an effective side kick. When throwing your side kick, you want to throw your side kick in the solar plexus. So that's right below the chest, just above the belly button, right in there. And that's how you take away the air from your opponent. When I'm teaching my side kick, I always use an arrow analogy. For instance, you want to treat it like a bow, an arrow, and you want to shoot it straight. You don't want any compromised hips, hamstrings, or ankle muscles. You want to just shoot, just like this. You see how I'm shooting straight down the middle? Just like that. One more. One other very important detail is you want to have that standing leg into full pivot. Basically, you want that heel of your standing leg to face in the direction where you're kicking. And the reasons why you want to have that leg in a full pivot is because it's greater for momentum as well as it's great technique. So I'll show you guys a side kick from this angle. This leg right here is going to turn as soon as I get ready to throw that side kick, so watch closely. Just like that. And I'm getting that extra pop by turning that leg, and I'm just, boom, just like an arrow. You shoot, just like that. Now that you have your side kick, I'm gonna show you the different levels in which I throw my side kick. I typically always go for the sternum or the solar plexus up. And you can throw that side kick higher to lift a person's chin, just like that. So I'm gonna throw the side kick more up. Now the last thing I'm going to show you guys when it comes to your side kick. You can throw your side kick from what I call a rear or power stance, meaning you're throwing from that rear or power leg, like in boxing. Typically you learn orthodox or southpaw. Now when I throw my side kick, I like to throw mine from a lead or speed-like position because it's faster. Now you get more power from that rear leg, of course, because you're generating more momentum because you're turning just like that. However, keep in mind that it is slower, but you can also trick your opponent. So you can always just fake like you're gonna throw that side kick from the lead position, and you just come in just like that. That's why it's very important that you become proficient in both sides when it comes to combat. You don't want to just be dominant from this side and then be weak on this side. You want to be able to throw that side kick like that or like that. With that, I'm going to show you guys different side kick variations. Thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that like button. Also, comment in the section below on videos you guys would like to see from me. I know this is primarily a fitness channel, but I want to start incorporating more martial arts skills as well as fitness skills. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next week. Peace out, BP crew.